Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want speed and control, so start by softening the adhesive with heat. Apply a heat gun at about 200 degrees F for 1 to 2 minutes, moving constantly to avoid warping the bucket. Once done, lift a corner with a plastic scraper or old credit card. Do not use metal, because it will gouge the surface. You're doing this to break the glue bond. As soon as the edge gives, peel slowly and evenly to keep adhesive from tearing into sticky residue. Now focus on adhesive residue. Apply a commercial adhesive remover or 90% isopropyl alcohol directly to the sticky areas and let it soak for 2 to 5 minutes so the solvent can dissolve the glue. Then, with a microfiber cloth or plastic scraper, rub in circular strokes to lift the softened residue. Pressure is controlled. Too much can mar the bucket finish. If some spots resist, reheat briefly to reactivate the glue. Then reapply solvent and continue until the surface feels smooth. Finish by washing the entire area with warm soapy water to remove solvent traces, then dry thoroughly so no film remains. If you notice light scuffs, use a fine polish or plastic restorer and buff gently. Always test on a hidden spot first to ensure compatibility. If a stubborn sticker fragment tears during peeling, stop immediately, reapply heat and solvent to loosen the adhesive, and then continue. This prevents scraping marks and preserves the bucket's finish, which is the goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.